In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can show the Office Clipboard automatically. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on a blank document. So if you click on the Home tab, here you can notice the clipboard. So in order to show it automatically, we just need to click on this arrow. And here you'll find options. Click on that. And you have the option right here, show Office Clipboard automatically. So to enable it, simply check it and then simply close it. Make sure that you have selected it and then close it. Now if I'm going to type something in here, and if I'm going to select it and press Ctrl C on keyboard, select it, Ctrl C. As you can see, the clipboard will appear automatically right here on the left pane. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can show Office Clipboard automatically in Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.